Hello viewers, today I was telling about can you still see friends Instagram activity. For that we need to go to Instagram account and we don't have that update on your Instagram on our Instagram account to see our friends activity, but we have some options to some techniques to see our friends activity. So for that, if you see your activity means you need to click on your profile and click on three horizontal lines, go to your activity, and here we have your activity like when what you like, what you comment, what you tag, like this. I was like something and I was commented, so like this I have some activity. So in our friends also, so we have some activity. What is that? Like we will see now here. If they posted anything means it will come here, and here the likes, we will click on like means if your friend will like on this place means it will show you. And like this you can see the your friends activity. You can see
I used to
the
love
friends
people
Instagram stories.
so much that
It is also their activities, and these are their videos and what they are tagged. These are like we'll see our friends activities, but we don't have that much of update on Instagram account. Maybe in future we will get that update and we can see our friends activity on Instagram account also. So thank you.